Hello friends, so welcome to Computer Tech. So today we will discuss about how to import live data, some data from many websites. So in this tutorial, I took an example how to take currency rates because in most of people which is related to business field are with some accounting or finance, so maybe they need this thing. That's why I decided to make a tutorial on how to import uh, the currency's values in your Excel sheet. Likewise, every almost if you go to different websites, big websites, so they have feature. They provide with RSS feeds for the website, so where you can have news alerts and about weather information and about currency or different things. So you can take any example, anything for your application. So here I just took this one, the currency rates. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the Google and to this website. So this is a very useful website. I found this one website. So this is exchangerate.com. So it has exchanges. Okay, so currency rates of every country. So you can take it for your Excel sheet, and from this you can import the live data, means the updated currency rates of all world's currency. Okay, so from here you can see, for example, like taking Australian dollar. So if I click Australian dollar, so you can see, so the one Australian dollar is equals to almost every currency is given here. Okay, so means you can convert your currency. So it's basically it's dollar, it's real, it's PKR, it's anything, rupees, anything. It's up to you. So every currency conversion is given here and with time. So it's universal time. So this is universal time, so it's like updated every second. Okay, so this is the website from which I will take data, and you can see, if you don't know about RSS, so it's like a web feed which allows users application to access updates to the website in a standardized computer readable format. So RSS feed basically is like XML format, so XML formats we import in Excel sheet. Okay, so let's confirm one thing, whether its rates are correct or not correct. So what I will do, let's go to its home page and check, like 1 USD is equals to 1 euro, like this one. So like in my example, I have taken Saudi Reals, so you can take any example. So what I will do here, I write USD to euro. Okay, so you can see here 1 USD equals to 1.098 dollar, 0.91. Okay, so here you see 0.91. Okay, like in my example here, this is my one sample example, so I will tell you how to make this one. So it's Saudi Real, even Saudi Arabian Real equals to this dollar. So if you write here HAR to USD, okay, so it's like 0.27. So if you round off, the same thing. If you same thing you do for PKR, so it's like 41.89. So you see here is 41.89. So this means this website is okay, correct. So you can use this website for your Excel sheet. Okay, so this website have this thing. So you can see, I'll show you the how this is working. So when I click this refresh rate, so basically it refreshes data. So when checking updating its values, and you can see this like now this is universal time. So you see it's real, this one. So this one, Saudi Arabian real is like equals to this Pakistan rupees, US dollar, New Zealand, Indian rupees, euro, and everything. So I have just taken just few currencies you can take, all currencies, you have here all currencies. So any currency you take, it's up to you which currencies you have required, so you can make uh, your own. Okay, so how to do this one? First of all, here uh, let's make another sheet, two sheet, one sheet where I will copy the RSS data, feed data, and other is my main interface. Okay, so first of all you have to go to here developer. In the developer section there is source. Okay, so basically here I delete everything so that you can have an from the basic idea what's happening. Okay, so here I go XML maps. So first of all what I will do, okay, XML map add. So you have to go here, like now what I do, I'm taking another currency now. So I'm taking now this UAE dirhams. Okay, so when I click this one, so basically this is the one UAE dirham is equal to all currencies given here. So basically what I do, I copy this one, copy, and here I will press open. Okay, so after open, uh, so just loading, so just wait for a few seconds, let it finish its loading. Okay, okay, you can UAE, okay, you change its name to UAE. So here's UAE, and these are the basic things. Okay, so if you see here what I have taken, first of all category description. Okay, so here what I do, the first one is category drag, and this is description. Okay, then what I do, I say title and its publication date. Okay, so now what you do, you go to basically data. If you press refresh all, so it just, you see it basically is on this time it's 1311. So now it's 1311 according to UTC. So it's like you see all data is there, UAE dirham, so it's 11 equals to this one and up to all currencies. So this is basically the column for which currency to which one is given here. Now the question is how to extract this data. Means this data have is like a string. Okay, so now I need just this number data, because with a string I cannot perform any calculation. So I need to extract this text data from this one. Okay, sorry, this number data. Okay, so this is the one good thing I will do, and after second thing is basically I will put one button. So in which when I press refresh button, so it will automatically refresh without going here and pressing this refresh. Okay, so this is just one two-line code, so it's not as difficult. So what I will do, first go here, and so I will tell you how to extract this number from this string. So we use one logic here. So what is the logic? First of all, I tell you here, let's close this one, and here what I do, here I write equals to, first of all I calculate the length. Okay, so length is a function, I calculate its length. Okay, so it's the all length is 40 character. Okay, so this all the string is like 40 character, and what I will do, I will check search, it should search equal character. Okay, so this should search equal character from here, so it's on 14th number. Okay, so if you count here, 1 2 space is also included, so from here it is on the 14th character, and the all the string length is about 40 character. Okay, so now what I will do, I will use I will first minus this, so 26. So from this thing, So if I take from right side, so from right side, this is the equal sign is at the 26 character. Okay, so I am again telling you what I am doing now. I am just extracting this number from this string because I have to perform some operation. Okay, so this is the 40 is the length of the string, 14 is the position, is the 14th character is the equal sign, and if you from the right side, if you check, so if I minus this the length of the string and minus this string, so I will get 26. This means if I from here if I count is 26 character. Okay, so what I will do, I will use right function. Okay, so the right function should be like when I click this one, comma this one. Okay, so this is here. So what I did here I removed one UAE dirham equals to this thing is removed. Now only what is there is only this text, this number, and this text. It's like this one is a number and this is unit Australian dollar. So again, still there is some the text is here, so I have to remove this one. So what I will do again here, I will count where is the dot, okay, in this string. And also if you see if you analyze from here, so after like point, so there are almost five characters. Five means digits, so every text have almost five digits. So you see every here almost many of the currency have after decimal there are five digits. Okay, so what I will do here again is goes to search dot in this string. Okay, it's on 3. Okay, so if you see how it is 3, because when I click here, you see there is one space is here also. If I press the space, you see there is a space also. So space is one character, then 0 at the third point we have dot value, decimal point. Okay, so decimal. So what I do here, I use left function. So from the left side, so from this string, from start from the left side, it should count uh, this one plus 5. Like if means not every currency is like in zero decimal. Some currencies like is more than 0, like 1 2 3 4 or 10 12 13 14. So after and before decimal, the number of characters increasing, can increase, can decrease, so it's up to the characters. Okay, so that's why I used here this one, this function, so that it count whether these are 2 3 or 4, so it should include all. Because if here if I use fixed characters like 5, this one, 6 and 7, okay, total these are 7 characters. If I write here 7, okay, so okay, this will work, this no problem. Okay, you see this work. If I put here 8, so this again work. But when if some values change here, like here is 14, 14.4, so then this will not work. If there is 15, 16, so this will not work. So some letter will be missing after decimal. So that's why I'm using this one, this thing. So this one and plus, so this is almost constant. So this you see is same thing. Okay, so here I have basically taken out the all values uh, of this string. Okay, so you can plus zeros to convert it into number format, because if you don't put 0, it is still is is string format, is text format. So if you put 0 here, so means this is now in what do you say, in number format. Okay, so this is just is like how to convert this string into number. So here you can directly copy this thing, like what you will do here, length. So just one line you can do this one. length. Okay, so this is the length minus the same code, this one, minus this thing. Okay, it's 26. So again, what I will do, I will use here right the same function here which I used here, right, this one, comma this thing. Okay, so let it make it general. Okay, so here's one UA theorem is removed. Now here again, what I will do, this one I write here, right, this thing, comma, and search dot string plus 5. Okay, so just wait, let me confirm this thing, and so let's use here left function, not right, it's left function. Okay, so you see everything is here, like 30, 30.38767, 22073, and if I click, if I put 0, so you see here, here's one value is because here's just 3 digits, so I think that's why it's like here. If you remove 0, so then it's everything. Okay, okay, so you see here. Okay, so now in this way we can convert our all text string data and string. We can extract some number from the string. Okay, so this is the done. So I remove this one. So this was just for to make you understand how it's working. So this is just in one line code. So what we do from here, I go here, I copy the format. Okay, again if I tell you another thing, from here what we can do, you see this is publication date. Okay, so from here if I copy everything, paste here. Okay, so this is, you can, let's give reference to this one. Just change its format. Okay, so here is our text data, and our currency is now is UAE Dirham. So here I go put here. Okay, so just get it, because UAE Dirham is equals to this United States. So you know United States dollar is like reference for every currency. So we take UAE, US dollar. This is US dollar. This one, and this is from PKR. We check here Pakistan rupees. Pakistan rupee. This one. Okay. United States is same. This one. New Zealand dollar, New Zealand dollar. It's like New Zealand dollar and Indian rupees equals to Indian rupees. This one, okay, and euro, euro, Australian dollar. It's the first one, and Chinese yuan. Chinese yuan. Okay, so here is all. So all data is here. Now what I will do, I will put one button here. So refresh data. So when I double click this one, okay. So just copy this data. This one. The first is worksheet. It's not currency now. It's our worksheet is sheet one. Sheet one dot range. Sorry, sheet one, not sheet two. It's sheet three. Because what I will do when I refresh, so that I want to remove these all data. Okay, here up to here, all data I want to remove, so that it again load data, so it will not load any. So it should not load any old data. So first of all, what I do, I just clear, means to delete all this data, then refresh active. Okay, so this is the done. Go here, disable mode, and when press this one, you see you either on this 1326 is now, this is standard time, and this is the current rate. Okay, so here what you will do, if you want to change now to up to another currency, just go to here, and in the XML map you go, just okay. So when you refresh, okay, so you see all were already deleted, because in this code you can see I use this one, first delete then refresh. Okay, so when it deleted all data, and when it refreshes, because there is no any XML source, it is no in data. So when I go back here, let's take another, let's take let's what we take Sri Lankan rupee. Okay, so from here copy, go here, XML map 8, open. Okay, so here is data, so you just copy paste that category, the description, publication date, the title. Okay, so come here and refresh. So it's now Silicon rupees like this one, and everything's there. So here this one is just multiplication, no any hard and fast rule, so you can use it. Another sheet, other values you can just multiply, use your currency with these currencies, so it will give according to like 100 Silicon rupees how much to the euros. So it's up to you. So this is was all about for how to importing a live data from, you see every second update is also coming here. So this was all about how to update your Excel sheet with live data. So in the same way you can update, import weather data and other data if its RSS feed is available, so you can easily import your data in Excel sheet. So I hope you understand, you got it, but I told everything I told you. So if you have any question, anything you want to ask, feel free to ask on my Facebook page and our blog, and also on YouTube. So you are more than welcome. Okay, so till then, see you.